Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And today, to celebrate the 75th anniversary of Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends, I'm going to be showing my entire Thomas merchandise collection. So let's start with the DVDs. I got these two at Ollie's back in 2018 when I first joined the fandom. So first we have Thomas and his friends get along, and other Thomas adventures. And we also have Best of James. That's it for the DVDs. Next, I have these two books I got when I was little. New Tracks for Thomas, and Edward's Exploring Other Thomas the Tank Engine Stories. And here's my Thomas drawer. Let's take them out. So here's my very first Thomas merchandise, unfortunately. Well, technically my first Thomas toy. Railway Palace Thomas, and my sister put glitter all over it. Next we have Wooden Railway Painted Percy. Technically this is Thomas Wood, but well, why did they just call it Wooden Railway? I'm dumb. Next we have Push Along Trackmaster Gordon. Push Along Trackmaster Bell. Adventures Diesel. Minnie's Classic Hero. Trackmaster Push Along Ashima. Adventures Ryan. Minnie's Classic Flynn. Trackmaster King Thomas from the Monkey Palace thingy. Hot Wheels Thomas. This is cursed. Steel Minnie's Percy. Trackmaster Push Along Edward. Trackmaster Push Along Rebecca. Construction Minis Thomas. Dirty Thomas from that one adventure set with the construction crew. Adventures Nia. Adventures Frankie. Adventures Jack. Adventures Theo. Adventures Gator. Adventures Hung Mei. Who's that? Minnie's Clarabelle. Minnie's Diesel 10. Adventures Oliver the Excavator. Dinosaur Talking Adventures James, and I forgot his tender. Who is this? I forgot. Is it Bill? Yeah, it's Bill. Yeah, this is Minnie's Bill. Tiger Percy Minis. Trackmaster Steelworks Thomas. Trackmaster Push Along Emily, and I forgot her tender. Look how I massacred my boy. Anyways, this is Adventures Thomas. And yes, I drew on his eyebrows because they were peeling off. Trackmaster Percy. Adventures Birdie. Sorry. Who is it? Is it Bill or Ben? It looks like Bill. Anyways, this is Adventures Bill. Adventures Victor. Adventures Percy. Trackmaster Push Along With. Whatever this is. And finally, Shark Spencer. So yeah, that's my entire Thomas collection.